Alrighty, so let's check out the latest print from the Photon. And it looks like what appears to be pumpkins. Are they pumpkins? They are pumpkins. Alright. Let's get these pumpkins out and take a look. Alright, so here are the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern sculpts that I made. Pretty freaky looking. Printed out perfectly. These were printed with Monocore Rapid White and Grey and Flex. And obviously with a bit of tint mixed in there. Some iron special blend. Look pretty good. So obviously details aren't showing up quite as nice because I haven't cleaned it up yet. So yeah, I'll clean these guys up and take another look. Alright, so print's all cleaned up. So as always, good old dependable Photon. Did a fantastic job of the print. This was printed at 0.06 and plenty of detail there. Like, I didn't go too crazy with the sculpt for this one, so it's just a fun little project. Here is pumpkin number 2. Came out nice again. So hopefully I'll be releasing these and I think another 2 more for free on Thingiverse. So I'll share these with you guys. You can hopefully print them up before Halloween and have a bit of fun with them. They obviously are purple, so you'll need a bit of a paint job, but shouldn't be too hard to paint some pumpkins. So yeah, thanks for watching.